The rise of Bitcoin ETFs. How 2025 is reshaping crypto investment. In early 2025, the cryptocurrency world is being rocked by the growing popularity and institutional acceptance of Bitcoin ETFs, exchange-traded funds. What once was a retail investor's Wild West playground is now increasingly part of the traditional finance ecosystem. Major financial institutions, including BlackRock, Fidelity, and Vanguard, have launched or expanded their Bitcoin ETF offerings, opening the doors for cautious investors who previously avoided crypto due to regulatory or technical barriers. These ETFs allow people to invest in Bitcoin without holding the asset directly, avoiding wallet setups and private key management. As of March 2025, global crypto ETF assets under management have surpassed $100 billion, a signal that Bitcoin is moving from speculative toy to strategic financial asset. The surge in Bitcoin ETF adoption is fueled not only by investor interest, but also by evolving regulatory frameworks. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has shifted its stance, now approving multiple spot Bitcoin ETFs after years of resistance. In parallel, other countries like Canada, Germany, and South Korea have streamlined their approval processes, creating a competitive international landscape. Governments are recognizing that controlling the crypto narrative through regulated instruments like ETFs is more effective than outright bans or restrictions. These new rules also demand increased transparency and regular audits, adding a layer of trust previously absent in the crypto space. Yet while Bitcoin ETFs simplify access for traditional investors, they also ignite a new philosophical debate within the crypto community. Purists argue that the essence of Bitcoin, decentralization and personal sovereignty, is diluted when institutions act as custodians of digital assets. Holding Bitcoin through an ETF means trusting a third party, which contradicts the core principle of not your keys, not your coins. Meanwhile, others see it as a necessary evolution, a way to integrate crypto with legacy systems and bring broader acceptance to digital finance. The tension between purity and progress has never been more visible. For everyday investors and crypto-curious audiences, Bitcoin ETFs present both opportunity and caution. They offer a safer gateway into the space, shielding users from private key mismanagement and hacking risks. However, these benefits come at the cost of control and anonymity. In 2025, the crypto world is no longer black or white. It's increasingly grayscale. Whether you're a hardcore hodler or a cautious newcomer, the emergence of ETFs marks a new chapter where the lines between Wall Street and blockchain blur more than ever.